Hey guys, how are you doing? So I have been watching a lot of videos before I started pouring, and then I realized that pouring yellow is very difficult, especially on a dark background. So what I decided to do is to practice, and so here I have mixed my Prussian blue as the base color. So all my paints are just mixed with water, and now my objective for today is to let the yellow color pop out instead of being mixed and turning murky and dirty. But I want the yellow to stand out on a dark background, so this is my objective for today, and let's see how it turns out to be. So as I said, my paints are mixed with water, and then I'm just going to blow it out with the hairdryer. So this is Persian Blue by Amsterdam. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. By subscribing, you'll help me to produce more beautiful videos for all of you. And please don't forget to hit the like button and comment, because I would love to hear from you guys. So thanks a lot. Now I'm just going to evenly coat this canvas. Let me just pour more blue. Here I'm going to take care of the size of the canvas, because I want it all to be coated nice and evenly. So what you can do is you can actually paint the size beforehand, but I did not do that, so I'm just going to swipe it with my hands, my fingers actually. Yeah. Okay, so now the first color I'm going to pour is white, because I want the lighter colors to stand out, the transparent colors to stand out. So I'm going to put white as the base, because white is opaque, and then I'm going to add colors on top of it. So the next color I have is Prism Violet, which is such a beautiful color. Just gonna add some there. Next I have this ultramarine blue. Just going to put it at one side of the circle. And then here I have the quinacridone magenta. So I'm just going to add some there. So I'm not going to put all in center, I'm not going to pour all in the center. I'm just going to play with the composition and see how it actually turns out to be if I pour paints at different areas. So right, I'm adding some blue in the center, and then I'm going to add white again to bring out the ultramarine and violet and the magenta color. And then I'm going to add some gold. So let me find my gold. Here it is. So my gold is pretty runny. Okay, but it's sunk anyway because it's heavy. Metallic colors are heavy, so they'll sink. And then lastly, I'm going to add yellow on top of the white and the gold. So by doing so, you actually coat the yellow so that it will not merge or interact with the blue. So that's why if you want your colors to be vibrant, it's very important for you to add white at the base before you pour the transparent color so that the color will stand out. And then I'm going to coat all around with the Prussian blue before blowing it downwards. So this is so that I can cushion over the paints. There are only 4 colors here. Now I'm going to blow it diagonally down to the left bottom left. So here goes. There. So I basically just coat the base layer on top of the paints, and then right now I'm going to oh, can you see the cells popping out already? So I'm just gonna torch it. There we go. There are a lot of colors at the bottom. When you torch it, you actually bring out all the colors from the bottom, so that's really nice. So this technique is done by Risky Duna. She loves to cushion her paints, and I find that very nice and smooth. So there we have it. Now I'm going to blow it up. Wow, just look at the colors. Okay. This is turning out really beautifully. Just look at the cells that are just popping out by themselves. Here I'm using a straw to blow out all the edges. If you can reach certain area, all you need to do is just use a straw. So that's what I did. So I'm just going to blow out the edges to soften it. Sorry, my hair is in the way. Right. This is turning out so beautifully. So now I'm just going to torch it to pop out extra bubbles if there are any. This is amazing. I love the colors. So I'm just going to torch it, and we're almost done. Look at the cells popping out. final touch, and voila. So please let me know what you guys think about this. This is very simple, and just look at all the colors. These are so gorgeous. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and see you guys soon again. Bye.